Hello all of you. Now I'm going to start a business studies. Okay. So of 11th standard BST, here we have started the chapter sources of business finance. What? Sources of business finance. Under sources of business finance, we have already studied about what are the different sources. That's the owner's fund and borrowed fund. And we have also learned about the equity shares and the preference shares. Okay, these two shares are the sources of owner's fund. And now the topic is the borrowed fund. So under borrowed fund, what comes? Now let's see here. Okay. Now this is a borrowed fund. So what is borrowed fund here? Borrowed fund means the fund which has been taken from someone else at a interest rate. That is a borrowed fund. मतलब जो फंड आपने किसी से क्रेडिट पर लिया हुआ है, आपने किसी से उधार पे लिया हुआ है और वो फंड पर आप इंटरेस्ट पे करते हो, that is the borrowed fund. So here the borrowed fund is the debentures or bonds. Now I will tell you what is debenture and what is bond and what is the difference between the debentures and the shares. See, share is a part of a share capital. Okay, share is a part of a share capital and that is the owner's fund. But the debentures and bonds are not based on a capital. These are a type of loan. And that loan are provided by the creditors which provide funds to the company on loan basis, okay, rather than on capital basis. So debenture and bonds are called as a, or we can say this is a type of loan, not a capital. Got it? Because the person who gives the capital by investing in shares, that person gets a dividend. But here the matter is when a person gives fund to the company on loan basis, so they charge interest. So this is the difference between the borrowed and the owner's fund. Okay? In owner's fund, person who invest money into the company or who have given the money by the way of shares, that person gets dividend. And in case of debenture and bonds, the person who provides loan to the company by getting the debenture or bonds, that person charges interest to the company. Got it? So now let I explain you the meaning of debenture and bonds. So the term debenture and bonds are totally different. See, when the funds are given by or when the securities are issued by the private sector enterprises called as the debenture, and when the securities are offered by or the issued by public sector enterprises, they're known as the bonds. Okay, but the purpose of both, whether debenture or bond, the purpose of both is to provide a capital, or we can say provide a borrowed capital from the general public. So let here I am going to write the meaning of a debenture or bonds, so you will able to get it very much clearly. Now here the meaning, see, debenture or bonds are creditorship. You know creditorship Creditorship means who provides credit to the company. Okay, they are called as a creditor, and share, they are called as the shareholders. Creditorship, securities, securities which provide funds to the company, funds to the company. Okay, they provide funds to the company on loan basis, on loan basis rather than on capital basis. So just I have already explained you this one. This is a loan, not a capital. Okay, and the debenture or bond, this is an acknowledgement of debt by a company. This is a kind of debt. So here we write here a debenture or bond defined as, may be defined as an acknowledgement of debt by a company. Okay, now this is the meaning. So you go through. Debenture or bonds are creditorship securities which provide funds to the company on loan basis rather than on capital basis. Means the debenture holder and the bond holders, they provides money in the form of loan and not in the form of capital. And the bond or debenture defined as an acknowledgement of debt by a company. It means the company has taken a debt. Debt means loan, borrowed fund. सो कंपनी ने उधारी पैसा या क्रेडिट लिया हुआ है फ्रॉम द डिबेंचर होल्डर एंड द बॉन्ड होल्डर. गॉट इट? नाउ this is about this. Now when debentures and who issues the debenture and who issues the bonds. Okay, now here when private sector enterprises issue so called as a debenture, but when public sector enterprises issues called as a bond. So you can also mention here that if you want, if you want to elaborate your the meaning or the answers, so you can put here. I'm giving you here information. See, when creditorship, okay, when creditorship securities issued by private sector enterprises are often called debentures, and those issued by public sector enterprises and the government are known as bonds. Got it? So this is the difference between the debenture and bonds. So this is the debenture which is issued by the private sector, and the bonds are issued by the public sector or the government. Got it? So but the purpose of both things, like the debenture and bond, is to provide funds to the company. Okay, so I mention here purpose of both the instruments is to arrange borrowed capital, okay, is to arrange borrowed capital from the general public. The purpose is same. Okay, so this is the debentures and the bonds. Got it? And the both are the borrowed fund. Okay, now here you can go through with this and you can write in your notebook also. Got it? Okay, now let's see the features of debenture. Key, what are the qualities of debenture? Okay, now see the features. Features number 1, okay, debenture carry a fixed rate of interest every year. So here we can write just giving you here the only points here, and this thing you have to discuss with your books. You have to go with your books. So here first one, the debenture carry a fixed rate of interest. Fixed rate of interest. Got it? Fixed rate of interest, or we can say there is a guarantee of interest. Number 2, it can be redeemed as per the terms of their issues. Here, debentures can be redeemed. You know, redeem means the repayment. मीन तो डिबेंचर होल्डर का पैसा कंपनी इन्हें रीपे कर देती है as per the terms of their issue. इशू डिबेंचर्स और बॉन्ड्स इशू करते वक्त कंपनी ने जो टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन दिया है कि देयर इज अ सर्टेनिटी ऑफ डेट फॉर द रीपेमेंट ऑफ डिबेंचर होल्डर्स मनी, सो that will be done accordingly that. And the next thing, the debentures are generally secured by a charge. Generally, debentures are generally secured by charge. You know, charge means what? Charge means the mortgage. Charge means the mortgage. Mortgage means what you can say here? The mortgage means when company issues debenture, okay, so when company issues debenture to the debenture holder, so debenture holder demands for the certain security. So in that case, company gives the guarantee of repayment their money. So company when get money, so against that money company provides certain securities, the paper of certain securities to the holders, okay, just for a guarantee. Okay, now next one is that debenture holder, see here, debenture holder do not enjoy any voting rights except their dividend interest matters. So here debenture holders do not carry any voting rights. Do not carry any voting rights, and they cannot participate in the election of directors. Means debenture holders को voting का rights नहीं दिया जाता in case of the election of director, in the management of the company, or any matter in the company. They have a rights of voting only in case of their interest matters. Got it? So these are some features of debenture. Once again you go through from here. Debentures carry a fixed rate of interest. Debentures can be redeemed as per the terms of their issue. Debentures are generally secured by charge. Debenture holders do not carry any voting rights, and they can't participate in the election of directors. See here, debenture generally secured by charge. So if a company goes in default, so the debenture holder have a right to sold the securities which has been mortgaged by the company. So they sell their securities and get their money refund. Okay. Now this was only features. Now The next thing is the merits. Okay, let's see the merits. Now, see the merits of debenture. Number one, merits mean what? Advantages. What are the benefit? Okay, so first thing, the investor's choice. First thing is investor's choice. Investor's choice means the investor generally prefer debenture, and they give weightage to the safety of principal amount and also a continuous income on the principal called as the interest. मतलब कि डिबेंचर होल्डर जनरली वो इसे ही प्रेफर यहाँ पे करते हैं बिकॉज डिबेंचर प्रोवाइड्स द मनी बैक आफ्टर अ सर्टेनिटी और पीरियड एंड ऑल्सो दे गेट्स अ रेगुलर इनकम इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. सी द सेकेंड थिंग, नो डिल्यूशन ऑफ कंट्रोल. हियर no dilution of control. Okay, it means that, see, the debenture holder do not possess any voting rights and they do not weaken the control of existing shareholder. मतलब डिबेंचर होल्डर के आने से किसी भी शेयर होल्डर की कंट्रोलिंग पावर में कोई भी शॉर्टेज नहीं होता है. सो दे ओनली concerned with their interest matter and they do not interfere in the management of the company. Okay, now third one, the trading on equity. Trading on equity. Now what is trading on equity? See, the debenture offer an opportunity to the company to trade on equity and thereby increase the return of equity shareholders. मीन्स यहाँ पे इक्विटी में ट्रेड करने के लिए उन्हें यहाँ पे प्रेफर किया जाता है ताकि जो रिटर्न है वो इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर्स का इंक्रीज होना चाहिए. नाउ फोर्थ वन, देयर इज अ फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी. व्हाट इज द फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी? यू नो व्हाट इज द फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी? द डिबेंचर प्रोवाइड्स अ फाइनेंशियल फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी एज दे कैन बी रिडीम्ड व्हेन द कंपनी हैज अ सरप्लस फंड. अगर कंपनी के पास सरप्लस फंड अगर अवेलेबल है तो कंपनी डिबेंचर होल्डर का जो पैसा है, जो कैपिटल है, जो फंड है, वो बिफोर टाइम भी उन्हें दे सकती है और अपने आप को इंटरेस्ट देने से बचा सकती है. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन, द टैक्स बेनिफिट्स. नाउ व्हाट इज द टैक्स बेनिफिट्स? सी, जो भी इंटरेस्ट पेड करती है कंपनी डिबेंचर होल्डर को एंड दैट इज अ वो डिडक्ट होता है कंपनी के प्रॉफिट से. ओके, एंड दैट इज देयर इज अ TDS, सो देयर इज अ टैक्स बेनिफिट व्हिच आल्सो कंपनी टेक्स. ओके, नाउ सो दिस वाज द मेरिट्स. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट द demerits. Demerits of debentures. So what are the limitations and demerits? Okay, both term is the same. Here limitations. See the number one. First limitation is fixed burden. See, company अगर debenture issue करती है, so there is a regular payment of interest. So this interest, whether company earns profit or not, but the company has to pay the regular interest to the debenture holders. Okay, so this is a kind of burden, a fixed burden to the company. Now here is the security of assets. Security of assets. Okay, see, debenture holder always prefer a safety of their investment, so they like a secure debenture, and here company is not willing to offer its assets as a security, may not be able to raise finance by issuing debenture. Means company नहीं चाहती कि हम अपने assets को कहीं पे चार्ज करें. So they do not want the charge on asset. Okay, so these are the big disadvantages. Next one, the impact of creditability. Okay, impact on credibility. Means company की जो credit है वो market में खराब ना हो जाए. See, if the capital structure of a company is loaded heavily with the debenture, अगर company कि जो मार्केट पोजीशन में अगर डिबेंचर्स अगर ज़्यादा अगर शो कर रहा है, इसका मतलब कि कंपनी का प्रॉफिट नहीं है और कंपनी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट पे करती है. सो इन दैट मैटर banks and other financial institution do not show a favorable attitude towards the company. मतलब अगर कंपनी के ऊपर बर्डन ज़्यादा होगा तो जो बैंक्स है, जो फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं, उन्हें लगेगा कि कंपनी इज नॉट इन अ गुड पोजीशन, सो दे विल नॉट प्रोवाइड a financial credit to the company. Okay, so they will means उन्हें थोड़ा सा लगेगा कि कंपनी इस पोजिशन में नहीं है, बिकॉज कंपनी इज पेइंग अ लॉट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ऑन द अमाउंट विच हैज बीन इशूड, विच हैज बीन टेकन बाय द इशू ऑफ debentures. Okay, so these are the merits and the demerits. Got it? Now here the next thing is the types. Here the types of debentures. So this is the types of debentures. Got it? So this is the types. Now what are the various types of debenture? Now let's see. See the first one. Number one, the secured debentures. Secured and unsecured debenture. You know what is secured and what is unsecured? See, secured debentures are those debenture which represent the fixed or a floating charge on the asset of the company. Means कंपनी ने यहाँ पर कुछ जो डिबेंचर्स इशू किया है उसके अगेंस्ट में जो होल्डर्स हैं उन्हें कंपनी के कुछ एसेट्स उन्हें दिए हैं एज अ गारंटी. सो दिस इज अ सिक्योर्ड. एंड अनसिक्योर्ड मीन्स यहाँ पे कंपनी ने कोई गारंटी का नहीं दिया है, बट नाउ only secure debentures are issued and no unsecured debenture. Okay, see, for once again, what is secure debenture? Secure debenture represents the fixed or a floating charge on the assets of the company. And unsecured debenture, also called as a simple debenture, but they do not carry any charge or security on the assets of the company. Okay, कि यहाँ पे इन्हें कोई गारंटी पेपर नहीं दिया जाता और सिक्योर्ड में गारंटी दिया जाता है. नाउ सेकंड वन, redeemable debenture and irredeemable debenture. Okay, redeemable and irredeemable debenture. See, what is a redeemable debenture and what is a irredeemable debenture? ध्यान से देखना. See, in case of a redeemable debenture, the company reserves the right of paying off the principal on or after a particular date. Okay, मतलब यहाँ पे कंपनी उनके टाइम पे या उसके बाद इनका जो प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट है वो पे कर देती है. Got it? But in case of irredeemable debentures, okay, or this is also called as a perpetual debenture, which is a continuity, the company does not fix any date by which they would be redeemed, and the holders of such securities cannot demand payment from the company so long as it is a going concern. Mean जब तक कंपनी चलेगी, so they cannot demand for repayment of their capital during the lifetime of the company. They will be paid, but after the winding up of the company. जब कंपनी बंद हो जाएगी, क्लोजिंग डाउन हो जाएगी, then they will get their money. But in case of the redeemable, the holder get their money on time or after that. See the third one, convertible and non-convertible debenture. Okay, now convertible and a non-convertible debenture. Got it? See, the convertible debenture can be converted into equity shares of the company after the expiry of the specified period, but non-convertible debenture cannot be converted into equity shares. Got it? मीन्स कन्वर्टेबल डिबेंचर में डिबेंचर्स को हम इक्विटी शेयर में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं आफ्टर अ फिक्स पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, बट नॉन कन्वर्टेबल डिबेंचर में इससे इक्विटी शेयर में कन्वर्ट नहीं किया जाता. ठीक है. नाउ बट इन द रिसेंट ईयर्स द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ इशूइंग डिबेंचर व्हिच आर पार्शियली कन्वर्टेबल into equity share has gained momentum. बट कुछ ऐसे भी अब आ रहे हैं कि अब कुछ मीन्स यहाँ पे जो कन्वर्टेबल है तो कन्वर्टेबल में से कुछ 50% हम इक्विटी शेयर में कन्वर्ट भी कर सकते हैं, 50% नहीं भी करेंगे, ऐसे भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें आ रही हैं. दिस इज गेटिंग अ मोस्ट मोमेंटम इन दिस period. Okay, so dear, please revise at home what we have done here. See the debentures, bonds here. Next thing, the features of debenture and bond, then the merits of debenture, demerits, and the types. So please revise at home before coming to school, because I am going to ask you this thing in the school. Okay, so thank you.